In this video, I will show you how to tips for creating 3D effect black and white border for letter. Go to Type tool and type your text. Alt. Press copy this text. Now we will select both text. Go to Appearance. Add a new fill. Change this color. Follow the process. Go to Add a new effect, Dot Path and Offset Path. Follow these settings and press OK. Go to Add a new effect. Distort and Transform and choose Transform. Follow these settings and press OK. Drag and duplicate selected items. Change this color. Double-click on Offset Path. Follow these settings and press OK. Go to Effect, Stylize and choose Drop Shadow. Follow these settings and press OK. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.